Start.
Welcome. This is our EAS574 final project. Our team members include Haoming Ma, Connor Helson, and Edwin Zhang. Next slide. The contributors are as follows. Next slide. Defining the problem. So our group chose track 2, ratings predictions. The objective of our data analytics project for Yelp is to leverage customer reviews, customer profiles, and business profiles to formulate customer-oriented strategies for Yelp and participating local businesses. Specifically, the project aims to address the following business questions. To 1, estimate customer ratings. 2, identify key features influencing ratings. 3, addressing trends in customer rating behaviors, and 4, to identify predictive accuracy of machine learning algorithms. Next slide.
So we did the data collection and the preparation before applying the machine learning models. The dataset are loaded into the data frame and precise to handle the missing values, encode categorical variables, and remove the high correlated features. Here's a code that we developed into the from the Python, and we also applied the descriptive statistics for the merge the data set. As we can see, we have the observations and mean, standard deviation, minimum value, and max values for each category. Here's the selected ones, and we also make some plot. The variable we are interested in is reveal stars. And we mix the distribution of each category with the frequencies. As this figure shows, we have the highest value of the highest frequency of 5 stars. And then we run the balance label by understand the functions to balance the class distribution of the target variables to avoid the bias. And then we follow these procedures for our data set. Before the model trainings, and here is the code that we developed in Python. Now I'm handing to Edwin.
Okay, so data exploration, relevant features are selected based on their potential influence on the target variable, the review_stars variable, and we selected features based on our own subjective ideas about what we thought as potential customers would attract different businesses. Next slide. Application of statistical and machine learning techniques. So we utilized 2 machine learning models to address our business problem, random forests and SVM. The specifics of these models are in the slides here. With both models, feature importances were plotted on the slide that follows.
So here's a confusion matrix from our random forest classifier in particular, which ended up yielding the highest accuracy at around 60%. The confusion matrix on the left for testing and training as well revealed that this was the most accurate and predicted 1 and 5-star reviews. Our model does struggle with more middle of the road, 3-star in particular. So on the extremes, it's fairly accurate, but it loses points toward the middle. There's definitely room for improvement there. But in our models, feature importances, we found that user ratings, business ratings on average weighed significantly. If you can go to the next slide, please. We can show that. Yep. So the random forest on the left here, the SVM on the right. They did weigh features differently, but again, looking at the random forest, which yielded the higher accuracy, it was showing that many components of the user and business profile, particularly their average ratings, how long the user was on Yelp, how many reviews they've done before, how many reviews the business has, were all like the most significant important features in a more accurate model. And then leading that into our interpretation of results, we found that definitely both models found that from the user's perspective, the average rating review count, as shown before, were very significant. But taking them into a business perspective, trying to answer the problem here, we'll think that it's probably best that businesses look at advertising to users that have placed many reviews and many good ones at that. That could be beneficial to their business since that was highly predictive of who was going to leave better reviews, as well as how long they've been on Yelp. So older accounts that have placed more reviews would help a business on average.